Mr. Callum Hemingway. First things first, why is your back? Why is your back to the camera in your profile picture? I want to see your face. Yeah, I want to see whose page is this. Right, that's the first thing. But I like this. Online transformation coach, nice and clear. I help men and women overcome their minds and transform their bodies within 90 days. All right, I don't understand what that means. Overcome their minds. What does that mean? I think this is lacking a lot of clarity. I help men and women overcome their minds. What's wrong with their minds? This is not clear. We need to change this. DM transform, 3 6-week program, PT, gym. Yeah, it's too much going on here, bro. Let's scrap this. I help men and women overcome something very specific within a certain time frame without doing X. Oh, here's my free program. Download it below. There's too much. Forget about the PT thing. Forget about DM me transform. Just give them something. Give it away. Then we've got a link tree. The Linktree thing grinds my gears because let me tell you something. This is giving people paralysis by analysis. Unless you already got a well-established program, you're getting loads of engagement, then scrap this because this is giving paralysis by analysis. People won't know what to click. There's so many things here that even I don't even know what to click. Work with me, coaching Instagram, get my free program, free hydration calculator. No, just give me one thing, bro. Give me one thing. But you're active on the stories. I like that. Active on the stories, good stuff. Apart from that, I don't think it's too bad. I think we could just fix it a little bit. We could optimize this. But so far, so good. I think we could, yeah. You're on the right track. Good stuff, man. Good stuff.